It's Friday, gotta make a sandwich on Friday. Hello, sandwich fans, Sandwich Dad here. I got some discount Peameal bacon at the Walmart this week. And with the weekend fast approaching, I want a breakfast sandwich. So we're gonna use an alligator pear, an egg, a slice of plastic cheese, an everything bagel, and Sandwich Dad's all-dressed mayonnaise. If you didn't see how to make this, check out the video a few back or check the website at sandwichdad.com. Tastes like all-dressed chips. Anyway, let's fry up that Peameal bacon. Lightly toast our everything bagel. Rearrange. There we go. We'll even butter our bagel to appear civilized, and then we'll put on our sliced alligator pear. Suppose I could have mashed the avocado, but I thought it might look nicer this way. Whenever I use avocado on a sandwich, I always salt, pepper, and a little bit of juice from a plastic lemon. But why don't you use real lemon, Sandwich Dad? Mind your own business. Just kidding. Hit me up anytime. Here's our 4 slices of nice fried Peameal bacon, the real Canadian bacon, the spirit of Toronto. And we're going to put our slice of plastic cheese on there. The heat will melt that as we have time to fry our egg. And that goes on top, followed by Sandwich Dad's all-dressed sandwich spread. If you want the recipe, it's on sandwichdad.com, sandwichdad.ca, or you can check a few videos back. It's delicious. Anyway, put the toque on, make sure it's secured, and then we can admire. Very nice. Next, we cut diagonally, which we've mentioned before. If it's a circle, is just straight across, and reveal. Hey now. Avocado, Peameal bacon, all-dressed sandwich spread, cheese and egg breakfast sandwich. Taste test. This absolutely rules. This isn't me just promoting that sauce I made. It's actually just so good on everything. So good even Sandwich Lad got interested for the first time in a while. He came over and then he stole half my sandwich. So this is Dad and Lad saying, good day!